It's just rewarding being able to put together such an amazing breakfast when you're off grid. This was super delicious and a great way for me to start my day.
So, here's the fire pit. Well, it's not really a pit, but it works for me. So it's low enough I can cook very easily. I have a table because it was super windy. Really nice heavy duty picnic table, which I had to move it because it was kind of in a weird spot. So it weighs like, I swear, 200 pounds. So heavy. Sturdy. Very sturdy. It's not going to float away. You could see like where if there was like flooding, there's like a pathway where the water goes. So apparently I'm in a good spot, hopefully. My tent, which I'll take you in here real quick and show you. Some of my tents. I have all my stuff right there. The chair I put up against the corner because last night it was blowing so hard. I swear the tent felt like it was gonna like fall over. So that kind of kept it from leaning in so much. Yeah, so sleeping mat, which I absolutely love. My daughter bought it for me and it is the best. It's a self-inflatable mat. It's memory foam. Yeah, toilet. And then, so I'm heading out. I'm just gonna zip tie the tent. Why, you ask? Well, just a sense of security. I just will know, like, if it's been tampered with. But, yeah, so I had to restake. And now I see that it's, I don't know. I had to restake it because it looked like it was, like, super loose. I don't know if it's because it rained or what, but yeah, I'm getting ready to head out, go to Joshua Tree again.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Up next, Skull Rock. Toodles.
I'll show you. Here we go. Oh. There we go.